So guys, we're going to play break in. So let's get started. Okay guys, for today we're going to begin. What should I use? I'll use the first one. Okay. Okay. Is this even the real one? I don't remember this. Oh yeah, it's this. They just changed something. Oh, it's really surreal. Cracky for made this game. Okay guys, we're here. It's my first time playing this because I always play Break Into. I'm going to make a video of Break Into. What is this? Nothing. Oh, I remember this free space. What room am I here? No, this is not my room. Where's my room? Mine is the pink room. Oh no. Yo, who found the basement key? Let's go to the basement. What's inside the fridge? Okay, we need... What? Wow, it's really a moving truck. Oh, who's this guy? Dude, I'm broke. What am I going to buy this with 10 bucks? I got here for no reason. Who are you? Hello, neighbor. Oh no. Wow. Oh, there's a ball. 66. I think it's here. Where's my room? Oh, I missed this song. The best song I ever hear. Absolute cinema. Makes me sleepy. Pizza! 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 I love pizza. Let me just explore the house. Don't mind if I Why does it close automatically? Where even is my room? Oh, I click it. Oh, what's happening? Yes, I wanna sleep there. Turn! What's happening? Is it because of the... Okay.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The purge has begun. Villains are on the loose and should be avoided. Do not engage them, or you may be injured or killed. Games are being invaded and destroyed. I repeat that this is not a drill. Stay inside. Protect your families. Keep doors locked and windows closed. Use boards to secure your windows and doors. Their leader is Scary Larry. If you see him, you need to run or hide. If you try to fight him, you will be defeated.
Fake news. Yo, let's go sleeping. Woohoo! What's happening? Someone just broke in. Oh no! What's that? I don't have any weapons, bro. I have no weapons. Please don't kill me. Phew. There's one. I'm going to loot the victim. Yo, money. Let's do. Oh, who is this guy? What's the already blocked? Need more. Who's this? Who's this? Oh, it's from Break Into. It's Uncle Guy. Fuck the TV. It's coming to our house. We are the guys. How did they get this? How did they block that? They blocked they blocked their toilets. Let's go. Yeah, I protected the house well. GPS is on pizza. Or 1v1 or 3 pizza. Why we're fighting for 3 pizza? Go back to your room. You're outside. New accounts. New account just a lad. Okay, take her out here. I'm pressing the space bar. Oh. So today guys, I'm stuck here with my little Jenny. Oh no! Invisible! Help me, help! I have no weapons! Help! Help me! Why am I always getting attacked? I always get attacked. Why me? I don't even have a weapon yet. I wish I had a weapon. I wish I had weapons. What? Finally, I got a weapon. Oh no, someone broke it. And I don't care. Okay, let's go. Girl thinks she's scary. No. Your name is scary, but you're not scary, Larry. How to open this? Oh, someone died. What are they doing in the basement? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Ouch! No! Where are they? Okay guys, that's all for the video. Goodbye.